Dear stockholders, the year 2021 proved to be a turning point in our collective efforts to effectively manage and rise beyond the impact of the pandemic. Improvements in the country's vaccination levels, especially in the National Capital Region, and the consequent loosening of restrictions have encouraged consumer confidence. Our financial results during the year affirm that the recovery is indeed well in hand, with Megaworld's revenue growing by 17% year-on-year to 50.8 billion pesos on the back of improved performance across all our business segments. Meanwhile, the enactment of the CREATE law complement our efforts to manage our costs, boosting our net income by 36% year-on-year to 13.4 billion pesos. Our new launches have seen strong take-up, and the normalization in construction activity has allowed us to grow our real estate revenues by 25% year-on-year to 31.1 billion pesos. We also saw opportunities to launch two of our new townships last year, Paraguay New Coast in Palawan and Northwind Global City in Bulacan. This signifies our belief in the sustained recovery of the economy. We believe that this new township will bolster Megaworld's expansion in a post-pandemic world. The BPO sector continued to grow in spite of the pandemic, enabling Megaworld premier offices to maintain a higher than industry occupancy rate of 90%. We were therefore able to close the year strong with office rental income breaching the 11 billion pesos level for the first time. Of special mention would be Iloilo Business Park, which has become one of the most vibrant office locations today. The year saw tremendous improvements in lease rates, evidenced by the contracts that we closed during the period. Megaworld Lifestyle Malls registered improved performance as shoppers returned to our malls, and more retail partners were allowed to restart operations. While rental income, which came in at 2.3 billion pesos last year, is still 10% lower than in 2020 due to several lockdowns resulting from the surge in COVID-19 infections. We saw tremendous improvements in our last quarter of the year when the government shifted to lower alert levels, especially in the National Capital Region. To illustrate, rental income soared by 61% versus the preceding quarter to 753 million pesos on the back of improved foot traffic and tenant sales. Likewise, Megaworld's hotels sustained its recovery track in 2021, with hotel revenues soaring by 30% year-on-year to 1.9 billion pesos. This was due to the consistent performance of its in-city hotels, the opening of Kingsport Hotel Manila, and the increase in leisure-related activities in the last quarter of the year. To help sustain the business, our in-city hotels focus on the provision of quarantine services. However, as restrictions ease in the fourth quarter of 2021, we began to reopen our doors to cater to the increased demand for leisure-related activities and travel. In line with our improving outlook and as a sign of gratitude for the support of our shareholders, we decided to reinstate our dividend policy in 2021 and declare dividends equivalent to 0.04 pesos per share, 14% higher compared to the previous year. Meanwhile, our board decided to extend Megaworld's buyback program by 1 year to February 2023. Last October, witnessed the successful listing of MREIT Inc. amid strong demand from the investor community. This is another feather in the cap of Megaworld, providing us with another avenue by which our company can unlock previously invested capital and use this to support our growth plans. Since the listing, Megaworld has been able to raise 23.4 billion pesos in new funds via MREIT. We envision MREIT to become one of Southeast Asia's largest office REITs. We intend to grow MREIT's portfolio GLA to 1 million square meters before the end of the decade through the acquisition of more office assets from Megaworld. We are similarly proud of the company's efforts to promote employee welfare and safety and to contribute to economic development and environmental preservation. In helping the government achieve herd immunity, we vaccinated 98% of the workers of the Megaworld Group as part of the AG Immunity, a conglomerate-wide COVID-19 vaccination drive by Alliance Global Group. The program inoculated our employees, frontliners, as well as their registered dependents, ensuring their protection against the virus. We further recognize the key role that our townships play as center of economic activity and communal engagement. In partnership with the local government units, we offer our township and malls as venues for vaccination drives, leading to the vaccination of more than 680,000 individuals across 10 Megaworld sites. We also supported initiatives to promote community livelihood by opening our malls as market venues. Here, local entrepreneurs, farmers, and fisher folks were allowed to sell their products directly to consumers. As part of our efforts to help protect the environment, our newly launched townships will now contain a 40% ratio for green and open spaces. In 2021, we also piloted the chiller optimization program to reduce the energy consumption in Uptown Mall. Today, the initiative has exceeded its targets. We look forward to expanding this program to our other malls. In line with our improving outlook on the Philippine economy, we will expand our project pipeline, which will include the launch of several more townships in 2022 across different parts of the country. As activity in our malls ramp up and our hotels reopen their doors to travelers, and vacationers alike, we will ensure safe and enjoyable experiences for all. Furthermore, with increased demand for both retail and office space, we are committed to meeting current and future requirements with our robust real estate portfolio. To our customers, tenant partners, investors, directors, employees, and partner communities, thank you for your continued support. With our renewed optimism and your unending trust, Megaworld will move onward, forward, and beyond, realizing our vision and reaching new heights as a progressive and sustainable company. Thank you.